Your ID says you're 40, but your cells might be 50. Inside your body, a grim reaper clock called your epigenetic age is ticking, and for most of us, it's running too fast. The good news is that science has proven this clock doesn't just go forward, it can be rewound. Today, we're breaking down the 3 biohacks that restore cellular integrity, maximize metabolic flexibility, and can technically turn your biological clock back by up to 5 years. This isn't wellness fluff, this is modern longevity physics. Welcome to FitPulse. Aging is not just time passing, it is the accumulation of mitochondrial decay and chronic inflammation. When your metabolism loses its flexibility, your cells stop repairing and start storing fat, storing toxins, and storing cellular junk known as senescent cells. Longevity begins the moment you flip the switch from storage mode to repair mode. Here is how to force that flip. The first biohack is the deep sleep architect. Sleep is your only true anti-aging drug. During deep sleep, your brain literally washes itself of metabolic waste through the glymphatic system. To optimize this, we use 2 specific levers. First, magnesium glycinate. Unlike standard magnesium, the glycinate form crosses the blood-brain barrier to lower your core temperature and stabilize your nervous system. Second, the 18-degree rule. Your body must drop its core temperature by 1 to 2 degrees to initiate cellular repair. If your room is too warm, your DNA repair enzymes stay dormant. Optimize the environment, and you skyrocket your NAD+ levels, the fuel your cells need to fix broken DNA. The second biohack is controlled hormesis. Longevity does not come from comfort, it comes from hormesis, the biological phenomenon where a microdose of stress makes the organism stronger. When you jump into a cold shower or sit in a sauna, you activate heat shock proteins and sirtuins. These are the janitors of your cells. They hunt down damaged proteins and recycle them through a process called autophagy. You aren't just shivering or sweating, you are training your biology to be younger and more resilient to the stresses of modern life. The third biohack is the circadian reset. Every cell in your body has a clock gene. If these clocks aren't synced, your metabolism breaks. The most powerful biohack is free. View sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. This triggers a timed release of cortisol, which sets a timer for your melatonin production 16 hours later. It resets your insulin sensitivity for the entire day. Without this signal, your body stays in a metabolic fog, unable to efficiently burn fat or repair tissue. 5 minutes of light leads to 24 hours of metabolic precision. Conclusion. Age is a variable, not a constant. Biology is a choice you make through your habits. Sleep deep, stress smart, sync your rhythm. These aren't just hacks, they are the instructions your DNA evolved to follow. Start with the sunlight rule tomorrow morning. Small daily habits lead to massive metabolic change. Share this with the one person you want to outlive the clock with. Subscribe to master your metabolism and stay at the pulse of human performance. Stay optimized.